to our hotel room. We're at our hotel already. And there's an outdoor swimming pool, and I'm really excited about it. What? Oh my goodness, I love this place. This place is amazing.
Got a bedroom in here with a cool view.
Yeah.
A little
And
balcony.
guys, this is so cool. I can open my window, or mine and Amy's.
Hi. Hi.
That's a perfect hiding place. We can play hide and seek and hide there.
How do you turn this on?
Well, look at all these
There we go.
shelves. Oh, it's a closet. Oh my gosh. Look at this place. It's like amazing. Look at this.
Hey.
Okay, I am actually loving this place. Look at the kitchen. Oh, what? Look at that.
Washer and dryer? Nice.
And ultra tight.
That's cool.
Whoa, look at how
We forgot to get a. Hopefully they have some coffee, huh?
Didn't you say they had a cappuccino machine?
In the lobby, yeah.
Yeah, coffee here. Come on. This is really nice.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi.
Whoa, this is so cute. Oh, there's this.
Yeah, there's coffee in here.
Nice.
And a grinder.
Nice.
Coffee grinder.
And coffee beans.
Yes.
This is our place we're staying. It's got a fireplace. I think it turns on right here. Look.
We're so
And
Look.
guys,
The fireplace is going.
balcony. Guys, there's a balcony.
Yeah, I went out there. You guys have a door on your room for it.
Really?
Yeah, see that door right there? That door is for your room.
Oh, here you go.
Oh, you're taking the oven. Say hi. Say hi, Lala.
Say hi.
Mamas. Say hi.
Here.
Mamas.
Say hi.
Look.
Look. Say hi. Okay, go show him the house.
Hi.
Go show him. Go give him a tour. Lala's giving you a tour of the hotel. Go show him. Hi. Hi, guys. So we got done with our swim. We got our baths ready. Are all done. Not ready, they're finished.
Daniel, can you swim?
Now it's time for some cookies and milk. Hit that thumbs up button
If you like Oreos.
if you like Oreos.
And subscribe if you like.
And hit that thumbs up button if you like chocolate chip cookies. AJ likes chocolate chip and Bree likes Oreos.
I love the cream in the middle. Drinking our drinks.
Is it bright out here?
Yeah, but it's freezing.
It's freezing.
Yeah.
Maybe because you got a frozen drink. Silly. What'd you get, AJ?
My back is hot coffee.
Yeah. We got some cool cake pops, but they already ate them. We'll show pictures of them. They were like fox.
Yeah.
We're in Edwards, Colorado.
There's one.
They're inside the store. Hey! Hey!
It's like I just ordered mine. Guys, we're going to go to the river. I found the water fix up there. Look at that little log. So small. So I am going to skip this.
Hey, look at that. They got a picnic table over here. We could have.
Ooh. Oh, here's the lake.
This is a river, silly.
Oh, yeah. And there's some feathers. I'm gonna try it. Guys, I'm gonna try to go in the dark.
Okay, let's see if I can get up there.
Oh, he's so hot.
Woo! You all look like little itty bitty ants from way up here. You guys just watched Bug's Life last night. Remember when he said, "We look like little itty bitty ants from way up here"?
Yeah.
Because they are ants. Not you guys. Oh man. She just biffed it again. She's trying too many things. It's like a heart shape.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
cool. Here, stand back. Your shadow kind of covers it. There. Oh, don't fall back.
I almost fell again.
That is a cool rock. Look, AJ, it looks like a heart. It's a big heart-shaped rock. I'm gonna climb out here and show you guys this cool, like recliner-shaped rock. I don't know if it's a recliner, but looks like kind of a recliner. Look at this cool thing. Isn't that cool? It's a cool rock in the water. And then it's got like a big old flat rock inside of it. I don't have my waterproof case, or I'd show you under the water. But yeah, that's that. All right, guys, let's go. Let's go.
Okay. So there's a painted rock. I don't think you guys can see. It's right there. It has a flower on it. And yeah, that's really cool. So AJ was gathering all this. He was gathering that. And I was just walking, drinking my drink. And we finished our river walk. And I stepped in the water. And it was freezing cold. Where? Oh, yeah, I see it. Let's see this painted wall. There's another one over here. There it is. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and click on that bell so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.